Hi guys, my name is John Paul Ardoldolea from BPED F1. So for today's video, we're going to talk about my belief or quality and philosophy of education. For me, progressivism is a very effective way of teaching. Progressivism in the Philosophy of Education by John Dewey emphasizes experiential learning, student-centered instruction, and the development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills. And it rejects traditional teacher-centric method that rely on rote memorization and passive learning, and advocating instead for a democratic classroom where students actively participate in their education and learn through direct experience and engage with the world. But first, we're going to talk about who is the proponent of progressivism. John Dewey is a widely considered the most prominent proponent of progressivism, particularly in the field of education. He believed that learning should be relevant to students' lives and experiences, and the schools should act as democratic communities where students can participate in shaping their own education. So for me, as a future educator, progressivism is a very effective way to teach your students because I believe that we learn something with discovery and based on my experience that is actually working to me, and because I've learned a lot with discovering new things. So that's all, and thank you.